unbox my shein order with me. Okay, so I bought a lot of clothes for my son. It's a 2-piece. It's very see-through. But this is good for summer. It's very breathable material. Next one is shoes. These ones are for me. Okay, earrings. Something small. A little track top. Look. Some nice workout type. Pockets. Recently started my makeup journey. It's just makeup brushes. Okay. Press on nails because wow, getting your nails done is expensive. Potty training. Love, love, love. Earrings. Socks for the baby. Pajama. Also nice breathable material. Ooh. Love material. Oh, t-shirt. Absolutely love the material as well. So soft. Blocks for the baby. Lash curler. No press on nails. Two-piece. It's quite long. Pajama. Also breathable. Here's a makeup bag. Oh, very, very see-through. Oh. So there's the top. Come on, boy. No hat. Please. Another set. So we get for winter. Ooh. This looks quite big.